On a rainy morning, Dodie the worm and Dandona the ladybug were sitting at home feeling bored. Dandona thought and said, "Why don't we turn the house into a big adventure?" Dodie smiled excitedly and said, "Great idea. Let's begin." They started in the bedroom, turning it into a magic cave. They covered the bed with blankets and crawled under, pretending to search for treasure. Then they moved to the kitchen and imagined it was a secret lab, where they mixed ingredients to create a magic energy drink with milk, honey, and cocoa. Next, they went to the living room and built a castle out of pillows. They imagined it was a kingdom defending goodness from the invading dust army. By the end of the day, they sat by the window, watching the rain fall. Dodie said, "I think home has more adventures than I thought."